Hi! In front of me is tablet NAVITEL T787 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Then tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, select Theme section. Scroll down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, just access the same settings. Tap on this plus icon under My Themes and click on the photo that you wish to apply. Following that, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!